We are back, but we've retreated to this baseball diamond, or to the baseball diamond, and I'm in the dugout because it was drizzling a little bit, and you know, I don't know. So I'm just gonna be mean. I'm gonna make Tim stay out there. So I figure, hey, it's a good time to do some laps around the diamond. So I'm gonna stand in here because, well, that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna make Tim fly out there, okay? So, I know you're like, you're so mean, man. Little Tim's got to be out there. It's like, I know. I'm running half flaps, and the UMX Timber kind of likes that. So I'm gonna use I'm using a little bit of rudder to steer the timber around to kind of, you know, help it coax it along. Some ailerons as well. Okay. Clean the flaps up. Let's do now we're going to do full flaps. Bring the flaps up down to half. Kind of slow her down a little bit on that down line. And yeah, we're just going to fly the little tiny timber right here. Some folks were saying that you know, it didn't slow down, or it didn't do this, or it didn't do that, and I'm like, what are you talking about? I mean, we're flying in a baseball diamond right now, and actually, not even a regulation baseball diamond. This is like a softball field, really. But hey, whatever, you know. You don't think it slows down, then that's on you. I think this thing slows down very nicely. Thank you very much. So let's go back to half flap, and there we are. Okay, let's go to full flap, kind of Parker. All right. Kind of Parker up here. We're getting a little bit of wind, not much. Yeah, I'm getting a little drizzle on. See, I can't do that. So I'm gonna hide under. I'm gonna hide here while Tim does my dirty work. Okay, I'm gonna be here in the dugout. But yeah, so here we are, low and slow, UMX Timber. Let's clean up the flaps. Get her going. Let's do another reverse. Bring her back down into the diamond. We went to half flaps. We're going to kick her around here. Bring some more rudder in. Kind of scoot her around. We're just having some fun here. There you go. Yeah, this plane is exceptionally maneuverable. You know, even with the slats, you know, even with the slats, I'll bring her by the other way here. I mean, she'll do knife edge as long as you want to. Okay, so we're going to get her, avoid the light posts, give her a full flap, now back down to half flap. There we are. Okay. Alright, well hey, I think we're down to about 2 minutes left on the clock. We're just having some fun here. So let's go ahead and bring her around into a little bit of a hover landing here. There we are. Okay, hey. Okay, we're going to kind of keep these short and entertaining. Because you can see I'm getting rained on. I know, rain in the desert. What is going on here? Hey, keeping it real here for a second, the desert needs the rain. And fortunately, it does rain during the winter here. That's when the desert gets the majority of its rain. That and believe it or not, the monsoon season. Southern California high desert experiences a monsoon season from late July through middle of September, believe it or not. Lots of rain comes down then, but it usually comes down so fast, so hard, so quick that most of it washes away. It's these winter rains when all the little critters out there and cacti and all that, that's when they get the most of their water. So in any event, hey, there's some natural history there for you for the Mojave Desert. Okay, hey, hope you're enjoying these flights. We're keeping it fun. We're keeping it lighthearted. This thing's a winner. If you can find them, they're just regularly sold out. I hope you can. If you can, don't hesitate to get one. They're more fun than a barrel of monkeys, as my friend Brian B out there in Florida would say. The little props to the B-Dog, right? More fun than a barrel of monkeys. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Happy landings, everybody. Cheers.